You want me to attach it to the other side? No, you couldn't grab it.
What could this be?
Your baggie for your cereal.
Sure. Okay.
Candy. They can hold your candy in it.
Hold your candy.
Oh.
Alright, turn around. Come out. Look. Alright, yeah, you can do this one. Alright. It's that little bitty thing, you have to pull that.
Casey, how well over here I can pull that? Do my hands like this? No. I don't
Alright, pull it.
So.
Wait.
Paige, how are you feeling right now?
Oh well, forget it. Oh, don't cut it.
Why? Do you need these, Casey?
Yes.
What do you use them for?
I don't know, 4 more, go cut it.